Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change image opacity of watermark in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change opacity of image watermark. Firstly, go to the window menu. Then enable the pages section. Then enable the master page and double click on the master page. Now I am insert a watermark image. Select the place tool option. Then choose our watermark. You can choose your logo. Now I am select the logo and click open. Then put logo to this page. You can align this logo. Select this alignment option and choose align center and middle. Then click apply. Now we want to change the opacity to this logo or image. Firstly, go to the tool section. Select the transparency tool and make this image transparent or change the opacity. Then go back the window menu and enable the mask layer option, then lock the layer. Then disable the master page and double click on the main page. Then check the all page. We can see we change the opacity of watermark very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.